We're finishing up our lunch here in Bangkok's Boat Noodle Alley. My friend Mark from Migrationology, the authority on Thai cuisine, told me that I had to come here. It's located next to Victory Monument, and basically this is how it works. Each one of these bowls costs 10 baht, which is around 30 US. The most popular ones are beef or pork. Right now I'm having spicy pork, and as you can see, you just keep stacking them up. This is sort of like a competition here to see who has the most, who eats the most. For a cheap and delicious meal, come here to Boat Noodle Alley, and for specific directions on how to get here, download Mark's book on 101 Things to Do in Bangkok.